In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 hammer drills available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the DeWalt 20 volts max SDS rotary hammer drill. If you're talking about heavy-duty tools and equipment, you can't avoid discussing DeWalt. This is a company that has been in business for a long time and has built a solid reputation for providing high-quality products. With the DeWalt 20 volts max SDS rotary hammer drill, they once again demonstrate why they are regarded as a power tool juggernaut. This strong instrument is excellent for drilling through surfaces that conventional drills can't. It also has active vibration control, which considerably minimizes the amount of vibration you feel while using the drill. The DeWalt 20 volts max SDS rotary hammer drill also comes with a retractable utility hook that makes it easy to hang the drill. The DeWalt drill is a great addition to your tool collection because it is compact and easy to store. Furthermore, this drill gets right to work right away, and with its great power, it is the best in the group. Power tools can be dangerous, and all users should use them with caution, but the DeWalt 20 volts max aims to alleviate these concerns by including a couple of safety features. At number 4 is the Bosch Bulldog Xtreme rotary hammer drill. For both DIY and commercial work, the Bosch Bulldog Xtreme rotary hammer drill is a delight to operate. This alone explains why we chose it as our number 1 pick for the finest hammer drills, but there's a lot more to it than that. The 3-in-1 multifunction selection, which allows you to effortlessly switch between rotation only, rotary hammer, and plain hammer modes, is very exciting. As a result, you'll have a versatile tool for a wide range of jobs, both big and small. The 7.5 amp motor delivers the power you won't find anywhere else, while the variable speed trigger offers you complete control and puts you in command of the tool for precise, accurate drilling. Even though it's a little bit big to squeeze into tiny locations, it'll handle most duties with ease. The SDS Plus bit system also offers a variety of attachment choices for various materials, as well as the ability to quickly swap out bits to locate the right part for the job. Top 3 at our list is the Skil 7.0 amp hammer drill. The Skil 7.0 amp hammer drill doesn't have the same punch as the Bosch when it comes to powerful hammer drills, but it still has enough impact to tackle demanding applications, which is great news for something so inexpensive. When you understand how small it is, it gets much better. This drill is one of the smallest in our lineup and may be used as both a primary and secondary drill. Because of its size, you have a lot of control over your drilling. The variable speed trigger keeps the rotation from getting away from you, and the side handle helps assure precision. This is critical in construction contexts, and it may frequently mean the difference between a work well done and one that isn't. The half-inch keyed chuck is also compatible with big diameter bits, so you should always be able to find the proper bit for whatever size job you're working on. The rope is long and strong, and the handle can be attached without tools, making it simple to put together and adjust as needed. Moving up at number 2 is the DeWalt D-Handle SDS rotary hammer drill. The DeWalt D-Handle SDS rotary hammer is a reliable and strong hammer drill that produces a huge 3 joules of impact energy, providing great performance regardless of the materials you work with. It demolishes concrete easily and can withstand hours of operation without overheating or slowing down. This is great news for individuals who work on large projects on a daily basis, as it implies that active vibration control is no longer just a nice-to-have, but a requirement for lengthy, pleasant use. When operating from dawn until evening, it reduces shock absorption. The integral clutch also minimizes unexpected high torque reactions, keeping your wrists and arms safe when working with a range of materials. And at number 1 is the Makita D-Handle rotary hammer drill. Our top pick for drilling concrete and a variety of other materials is the Makita D-Handle rotary hammer, which looks and works almost identically to a sci-fi energy weapon. With an ergonomic D-handle and soft grip side handle, you have maximum control over your job, and the huge trigger switch reduces finger strain. The recess lock button makes your job even easier and allows you to rest your hands when doing labor-intensive tasks. The torque-limiting clutch ensures durability by disengaging the gears if the bit binds, preventing gear damage. This not only protects the drill and its parts, but it also protects you by preventing any unexpected jerking that could put you out of commission for an extended period of time. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.